In this video, we're going to be talking about the new Samsung Galaxy A14 and its leaked specifications and maybe even a new chipset. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. Now, we've been getting, for the last 2 weeks, news on the Galaxy A14. I haven't really been putting out videos on this device, but Sam Mobile, I'll leave the link in the description down below, has made a few different articles on this device. And we're going to start off with the one from about a week ago to go over some of the specifications. And actually today, we just got a leak of what processor might be used or probably is going to be used on the new Samsung Galaxy A14. So first and foremost, we're going to be talking about the specifications and stuff. Now, if you guys do want to go ahead and take a look at this article, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But it says the affordable Samsung Galaxy A14 5G has picked up Bluetooth 6 certification, bringing it one step closer to its official launch. Almost 2 months ago, we reported that Samsung is developing its most affordable 5G phone of 2023, the Galaxy A14. Later, multiple designs and specification leaks gave us a peek at what we can expect the Galaxy A14 5G to look like and bring to the table. It says, according to the leaks, the Galaxy A14 5G is speculated to come with a display with a U-shaped notch, a triple camera setup on the rear, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, a USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And that would be great if they actually keep that. Beautiful stuff right there. This entry-level 5G smartphone has already bagged the BIS, the Bureau of Indian Standards certifications, and the Wi-Fi Alliance certification as well, if that means anything to any of you. As per the Bluetooth SIG website, the Galaxy A14 5G carries model numbers, and these are the ones right here. I'm not going to read that. It says all of these model numbers should be different models of the different markets: Canada, South Korea, and the United States of America. Apart from this, the listing does not reveal much about the upcoming Galaxy A14 5G. Now, it says prior leaks revealed that the Galaxy A14 will rock a 6.8-inch LCD with a Full HD Plus resolution, that's 2408 by 1080p, which is better than its predecessor, the Galaxy A13 5G. I believe we only had a 720p display on that. The phone's dimensions are said to be 167.7 by 78.7 by 9.3 millimeters, which is bigger than the Galaxy A13. Previous renders have shown the phone in plain black, but Samsung is expected to launch it in more colors. And as we saw yesterday in my video, we talked about the Galaxy A54 launching in that beautiful baby blue color. I'm hoping that they do the same for the Galaxy A14. That would be awesome. And I hope they have a variety of not just 3, but hopefully like up to 5 different colors at launch. I know it's harder for the people that, buy these phones from prepaid carriers to actually get the specific color they want, but hopefully they do that for you guys as well. That'd be beautiful. It says, speaking on the internals, the battery capacity on the phone is expected to be 5,000 milliamps. There will be a 50 megapixel primary camera, but details regarding other cameras are missing. The front camera on the Galaxy A14 5G is getting upgraded with a 13 megapixel shooter. Samsung will preload the device with Android 13 and UI 5.0. While the exact launch date is unknown, it should arrive soon. So the Galaxy A54 is speculated to launch in January, I believe somewhere around mid to late January. I'm not 100% sure, but it should be January. And it would be great to see Samsung start releasing these phones on a set date, like every January or something like that. The same date exactly. That would be great to start off the year with a new A series lineup. So those are specifications that we are speculating, I guess, and we actually just got some news from Sam Mobile today in a different article, so if you want to read this one as well, leave it down below. But it says some versions of Galaxy A14 5G could feature a Mediatek processor, and Mediatek has been pumping out some pretty decent processors, honestly. So it says earlier this month, the Galaxy A14 4G appeared with a model number and featured the Mediatek Helio G80 processor. Last week, the 5G version of the smartphone appeared with the unannounced Exynos 1330 chipset. Now, another variant of the smartphone has appeared with a completely different processor. The SM-A146P, a variant of the Galaxy A14 5G, was spotted in Geekbench's records. The smartphone appears to be equipped with the Mediatek Dimensity 700 processor. The chipset has an octa-core processor and the ARM Mali G57 GPU. So going by the references, the Galaxy A14 4G has the weakest GPU, while the Galaxy A14 5G with the Exynos 1330 has the most powerful GPU. The Galaxy A14 5G's Mediatek variant has a GPU that is somewhere in the middle. So hopefully we're gonna get something a little better than the A13 5G with the A14 5G, because I think most people that are gonna be getting an A14 is they're gonna get the 5G version. But it says the Galaxy A14 5G with the Dimensity chipset has 2 Cortex A76 CPU cores clocked at 2.2 GHz, 6 Cortex A55 CPU cores clocked at 2 GHz, and a built-in 5G modem. The device, featuring 4 GB of RAM and running Android 13, scored 522 points in the single-core CPU test and 1710 points in the multi-core CPU test. The smartphone could have a 6.8-inch IPS LCD display, which we talked about before, with a Full HD Plus resolution and an Infinity V notch. It could have a 50 megapixel primary rear camera, a 13 megapixel front-facing camera, 64 GB internal storage, and a 5000 mAh battery. There is also said to be a side-mounted fingerprint reader, Bluetooth 5.2, a USB Type-C port, and a 15-watt fast charge. And hopefully all of those do come in. This isn't looking like a huge step up from the A13 5G, but I'm sure it's going to be decent for the money. I'm not too excited about the A14, honestly. But yeah, guys, so those are the specifications it looks like we're going to have on this device. I'm hoping that the new processors they use, the Exynos processors, are decent. We may be getting different processors in the United States because obviously, like it said right here, we have various different certifications for different countries. So I'm not sure what processor we're going to get. It would be interesting to check out a newer Mediatek processor, especially in the United States. It seems like they're becoming more acquainted over here like they are overseas, so excited for this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Doesn't seem like there's too much of a difference between this and the A13. This may be a phone you want to upgrade from the A12, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Hopefully you guys have a good day. This has been Safal from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.